it's Curtis, C3 Garage Media. I'm back. Hey guys, sorry it's been a little while since I've had some videos, just with the holidays, the weather, and work. It's been a little tough. But I'm back with you just to show you what I've been up to the last couple weeks with the Turbo IS 300 and NAT 2J. So basically, you know, I had been smelling oil around the turbo lately, and you know, my drain line was fine, but when I took my intake off, the wheel of the turbo had like soot kind of like all over it, like soot, like almost like little oil streaks. I'll show you what that looks like. Need to investigate the source of a problem. Let me show you. I actually have some oil in the turbo. So you can see it's definitely either backing up because my drain isn't working well enough, or it's popped. So either way, we have another turbo, so let's see what's going on. So I was concerned that maybe I had popped the turbo, or you know, just something wasn't right in there. Maybe it was leaking oil. So I figured after 4 drift events and 2 drag race events, I'd take it off and just see what was going on. So let me show you what I was doing.
Okay, so a couple things I noticed after getting the turbo off. Number one, I did have a bit of an oil leak coming from right here. This fitting had worked itself a little loose and I was getting some oil drippage here. That's definitely the burning oil that I had smelt that I wasn't previous smelling from this turbo. Also, as you can see, there's no oil coming out of the turbo itself. I did have, like I say, some kind of build up in here, which I thought may have been oil dripping out of the seal, but now I'm actually thinking it's blow-by coming from the valve cover. So basically from my breather, felt in there, and there's definitely some oil in there, so I'm definitely getting some oil vapors from my valve cover back into the intake. So I need to get a catch can is essentially what I need to do. But now it's good to know that the turbo is doing great. The drain line held up just fine. I had switched to this silicone drain line hose, and that really seemed to make a difference. Had no melting hoses, no issues with that. So gonna go ahead and put everything back together here and swap out this turbo for my spare that I have sitting right here. This guy's never been used, so got a brand new turbo. Go ahead and put it on. One helpful tip I'd like to share with you guys is I switched the studs or the bolts for my turbo to Allen heads, which greatly made it so much easier, because now I can just get right in here with an Allen and I can tighten it, or the tough one right up under here, very easy to get to with the Allen, and go ahead and tighten it as well. So if I could suggest anything, if you guys have this kit at home, is to swap out your studs that the kit comes with Allen heads, and use one of these spherical Allen wrenches. Really makes a difference.
And yeah, so anyway, I took the turbo off, and nothing was wrong with it. So I had no oil blow-by, you know, going into the intercooler piping. New replacement turbo in there, so hopefully I won't have any issues with that. I didn't film most of it just because you guys have seen me take this turbo out on at least 3 videos, so everything's nice and tight. I do want to get a new V-band. I'm going to order a new Vibrant V-band clamp. I just don't feel like this one seals that great. But yeah, everything looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and start it, make sure I don't have any leaks. So I just figure what is happening is through my valve cover, once I'm under boost, I'm getting oil, you know, blown from the intake into the turbo, or at least oil vapors. So definitely need a catch can, which I plan on getting relatively soon here. But I did get some cool new toys for Christmas, and I'm excited to show you those. Also, guys, I'm so stoked, almost at 1,000 subscribers, so C3 Garage Media lives. We'll be doing something special for that 1,000 subscriber special. Be back real soon. Alright, guys. So a couple things I want to share with you. Few new toys I got over Christmas for the IS and just for the channel in general. I'm so excited. We're at like 1,000 subscribers, or just right at almost at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I can't tell you how much it means to me. One thing I'm really excited about for Project IS300 is a present that I got for Christmas from my dad and my brother. Show you this here. This is a Sparco, real, not knockoff, real Sparco suede steering wheel. The bolstering and the grip is amazing. Can't wait to get this on. So I've ordered a hub and adapter, which will be here in a couple days, so I'll be doing a video showing you putting the new steering wheel on. And also I got a new GoPro mount. So with this I can get some exterior car footage, some exhaust clips, some new perspectives on drifting and racing, and just having fun with this car in general. So I'll show you some stuff that I've filmed just recently. Little exhaust clippage, little rippage outside.